Hi mga ka-locals! Are you also a breastfeeding mama like me? Kasi today, let me share with you guys where I get my lactation cookies. Sinasuggest talaga kasi to ng friends ko to me kasi sabi nila very important daw talaga yung lactation cookies. So we have here some cookies from Galacto Bombs. I've been hearing a lot of good things kasi about this brand. And syempre, we're going to start with their matcha bombs. Alam nyo naman, this matcha girl, anything and everything matcha is really good for me. Then we also have here their Revel bombs. You know what? I love na very moist yung Revel bombs niya and it's actually very addicting. And if you love naman red velvet, they also have red velvet bombs. And tignan nyo naman yung cream cheese inside. O, diba? Plus, they also have some double choco bombs and the classic choco chip cookies. And you know what mga ka-locals? I love na it's preservative-free. Very perfect talaga to sa mga breastfeeding mamas. And you know what mga ka-locals? I love na yung key ingredient daw nila are actually oats and flaxseed. Kaya perfect na perfect to for the breastfeeding mamas and for the whole family. Yun lang.